Aditya Villa and you are watching WeberCoder. Today we are going to learn about a simple yet a powerful modeling technique which is KNN, which is a short form for K nearest neighbors. Before that, if this is your first time on this channel, make sure you watch the whole video, and if you find it helpful, you can share with your friends that want to learn machine learning. Also, to check out the whole playlist, you can click on the link. So without wasting any time, let's get to it. Basically, I divided the concept of KNN in 6 parts, which you can see on your screen. Out of these, I am going to talk about the first 3 in this video. Starting with the introduction of KNN. As I already told you, it is a simple yet a powerful modeling technique. This algorithm, also known as lazy learning algorithm. Why? You will understand later in this video. In the KNN algorithm, the predictions for new data points are made by looking at its neighbors. To understand this, let's look at an example. So here's a classroom, and as we know, during our school days, we used to sit with the kids that have same interests as us. So let's assume that the leftmost group is more into studies, like to go to library, read books and novels, while the remaining student, which is on the right side, are more into sports. They like to talk about football, cricket, and they spend most of their free time discussing upcoming matches. Now there is a new admission in the class, and this new student, after having a brief interaction with its classmates, chooses to sit on the leftmost bench. A week later, the principal asks this new student about what is the interest of the student outside the class. Since he did not have any time to interact with students personally, he observes a group of students he spends most of his time with and reports back to principal. This is how the KNN algorithm works. So the KNN has no learning process, and all the magic happens when the predictions are made based on its neighbors. Hence, this algorithm is also known as lazy learning algorithm. Now let's talk about how to build KNN and how it works. So let's say we have a training data set, and in KNN algorithm we start with plotting the data sets. For simplicity, I am considering only 2 features, which is age and loan. Next, we will locate the new data point in the plot denoted by a star. Now the next step is to calculate the distances of all data points from the star in the dataset. After calculating the distances, we arrange them in an ascending order and then select the value of k. Let's say we selected 5 as a value of k. So the prediction for the new data point is dependent on these 5 nearest neighbors. If the problem is a regression problem, we use mean of 5 neighbors to calculate the prediction. If it is a classification problem, then we use mode. Now you may wonder why I choose 5 as a value of k. So for that, we have a method called elbow method. In this method, we select the value of k from 1 to the total number of data points. For each value, we implement the KNN model. After that, we calculate the error generated by model for corresponding k value and plot them. You can think of this graph as your hand, and this lowest point can be considered as your elbow. The x-axis shows the range of k values, while the y-axis shows error. If you see precisely around the elbow part, we get the smallest error. Since this looks like an elbow, it is also called as a elbow curve. At this point, we get the right value of k, and as we increase k, error goes on increase. Okay, so here we complete the first 3 points. Next 3 points will be covered in the upcoming videos. So to make sure you watch those videos, subscribe to my channel and make sure you press the bell icon and select all option to get notified whenever I post my new videos. You can follow me on Instagram, the link is in the description. And that's it for this video guys. Catch you guys next time. Till then, share knowledge to gain knowledge.